On the scale of 1 to 10, how hard is it to date in Bangalore?
It's the easiest thing, I swear to God.
See, we are doing an activity together.
I'll give you the reason why cheating is okay.
Dating is hard, man. There are some people who have a lot of luck in it, and there are some people who struggle a lot. So I am here going out and talking to people about dating in this 10 video series called Decode Dating, Bangalore edition. In this episode, we'll find out how hard it is to date in Bangalore. Today, here's whom I spoke with. Two young girls who are out there doing marketing work for their company. My friend who is a 23-year-old 6'2" fitness trainer. A friend of mine who is an Instagram influencer and her friend. A flight attendant and two of her single friends. Group of friends who are also colleagues. And this girl who does a lot of things. It is going to be insane. How hard is it to date in Bangalore?
She has a lot of experience. Right person. Full experience. I have less experience, but horrible experience.
It's the easiest thing, I swear to God. I feel like if you walk in Church Street left, right, you'll get your husband. For girls, for guys, it's very difficult, I must say.
That's what I was gonna say. Don't go by the words of good-looking girls. They live in a different world altogether.
Recently, I've been lucky, so I will say good. Not from Bangalore, though. We met in Bangalore. Does that not count as Bangalore dating?
Yeah, whatever, like Bangalore people in general.
People, okay. What about
Just because you're a piece of shit.
It's not for girls. I mean, for girls it's very easy.
It's quite easy.
And there's like, I've been in Pune before this and cute looking guys. But in Bangalore it's hard to find.
For girls, it's easy to find. You just have to exist.
Yeah, you just have to exist and you'll find.
Yeah.
Okay, boys coming up over, like talking to you.
What about you?
fine.
It's fine.
It's fine. Why?
It's fine.
What is fine about it?
The people? No, I'm just
The people. She's a one-word girl. You hated writing essays, right?
Yeah, for sure.
You hated writing anything at all.
Anything at all, yeah.
I can see that.
Choice for life.
ChatGPT was made for her.
The thing is, people are not looking for relationship, like serious relationship these days. And for Bangalore, like I travel to most of the cities as I'm a cabin crew right now. What I've seen in Bangalore is that people are like one night and that's all. So they don't want to get into that serious wala zone, and neither the girl nor the boy wants to take the thing right of the commitment or something like that. So yeah, that's why it's tough.
So it's like both the sides, not one side.
No, not one side.
सेम ही है यार, मेरे को तो कोई मिलती भी नहीं है, ना ही मेरे में बात करने का कॉन्फिडेंस है.
You know how hard guys' life is? Huh?
बहुत हार्ड है.
I don't think so. That in Bangalore, I don't.
Every girl I
I used
asked,
to think that in every other city, but in Bangalore, I have some other thinking.
I mean,
yeah.
I never used any dating apps, and I'm recently married, so I don't know the scene in Bangalore.
How did you find your husband? Where did you meet this person?
At office.
was your husband not scared of posh and stuff? Because
No, I asked him to leave the company so we can get married.
what the fuck? How long do you think the relationships last on average in Bangalore?
Few months to 1 year. Max 1.5, 2 if you push, if it's a casual thing. But then
So you're saying casual thing will last longer?
depends from people to people. Again, I've seen few of my college people dating who have started from casual, but now they're like dating. So
No. There's always a chase, like next better thing. So it doesn't last long at all. It's
At
sad.
all?
Yeah.
At all?
But if you meet somebody from dating app,
It won't last.
So I don't think they start only. It's like hook up and then tata bye bye.
Tata bye bye.
Kabam.
What did you say?
Wham bam kabam.
Bam bam kabam it's. How hard is it to build a relationship in Bangalore?
you cannot go to that quality dating. How would you build a relationship with someone if you can't find a quality dater?
मिलते ही नहीं है तो मैं क्या बताऊं.
भाई का एक ही आंसर है. He has only one answer for throughout the thing. मिलती ही नहीं है.
मिलते ही नहीं है ना भाई. जिस दिन मिलेगी उस दिन बताऊंगा, पहला डेट कर लिया तो.
शायद. What's your name? Mayank. Mayank is in the comments.
I feel like there's a big hookup culture in Bangalore. I think people should search for true love.
Yeah. True love.
If you had to change one thing in Bangalore dating scene, what would you change?
Traffic.
Traffic in dating is nothing.
Getting to the dates is hard. So accidentally stood people up without meaning to because they just got stuck in traffic. And then the date went away thinking they got stood up, so that's not fair.
The poor time management and lack of communication.
If girls are more open to have conversations in public, and yeah, that.
Now they are not open. Do you think it's just because so many creeps are hitting on them?
Yeah, that's what,
Anybody when they approach are like, just one more guy again.
yeah, like you have to stand out. You have to say something more creepy.
Okay, if you had to change one thing about Bangalore dating scene, what would it be?
Everything. Just like how to meet people without using dating apps. I want to change that.
Okay, how do you meet people without using dating apps?
Like we don't meet, right? So we use dating apps to meet people. So now I don't want to use dating apps and then meet people. So that I want to change.
But if they approach in real life, you call them creepy and shit like that.
That's why not approaching and all, like a organic way probably.
Like your friend.
Oh no. Like good gatherings probably. I don't know.
What is good gathering? What is bad gathering?
See, we are doing an activity together. Guys, bad gathering.
Depends on the taste.
I agree with this, you know, when guy approaches it's creepy, so I think girls should be a little kinder and like,
Do you approach guys?
no.
Guys are creepy little bit sometimes, or the vibe doesn't match. So it's
What is creepy? Where's the line between creepy and flirty?
like
For personal.
next time we want to. No, if he is asking to come to your house on a first day, it's creepy, right? Yeah.
Okay. Don't.
Oh fuck, I've done that. Been there, done that.
That's why.
I mean, if it's successful, it's not creepy.
This is what is wrong with Bangalore boys, yes.
Somebody who comes to Bangalore for the first time, do you have any tips to find dates and make their dating life easier?
More than dating apps, I would say just go join some hobby class that you like, and eventually it'll get organic. I mean, organic connections are the best ones. So you should go find clubs and do what you like, and along the way, if people come around, that's good.
It seems no dating app isn't working, so I would recommend going out and doing the pickup thing. Yeah,
How do you do that?
I don't have to. I'm committed.
Damn. But if you were to,
Okay. I would just go up and say hi. What's up? जो भी उसके around चल रहा है. Like if you're in a cafe setting, just make something up. Like you're fit. What's that? ये वो कुछ भी random shit. Just be a kid and have fun. Yeah, don't have logical conversations with women. They hate that.
How's your dating life, Kiran?
my dating life is kinda, bro. Okay-ish. So, you know, we have talked to so many people today, right? One simple pattern I've noticed is, do you think cheating is common in Bangalore?
हाँ बहुत
Very common.
बहुत ज़्यादा.
There's no quality dating as such, so cheating is like, there's nothing as cheating. They'll give you the reason why cheating is okay with everyone.
They give you reason.
Yeah.
What do you think, bro?
अरे बहुत कॉमन है यार, हम लोग के फ्रेंड ही हैं बहुत लोग. नाम तो नहीं लेना चाहूँगा. समझने वाले समझ गए.
They got cheated on, or do they cheat?
They do cheat.
They do cheat.
हाँ.
You don't give them can, don't do that. Being a good friend.
बोलूँ यार, उसका लाइफ है. किसी का इंटरफेयर नहीं करता मैं.
Definitely. What about you? Any experience?
No, nothing as such. I've seen people cheating as well as they are okay with it. Everyone is okay with it. Either the boy, the girl, everyone is okay with cheating here.
You're a cabin crew, right?
Yeah.
So how is it in cabin crew industry, like relationship wise, like?
It doesn't work because both the girl and the boy, they have lots of options. So
Because you travel a lot?
no, it's not because of that. Because like I am working in a co-ed industry, okay. So because of that, girls fall in trap with the boys fall in trap with the boys. So like
Boys fall in trap with the boys.
yeah, even that.
People are getting dates, but they are not getting quality dates. That's what I've observed. But for men, it's not on any date. Like many men are so desperately walking around here, trying to talk to people, trying to talk to girls. So it is kind of hard for them.
India lacks soft skills. Please learn how to talk to women on the street.
If you need help with your communication, you can definitely reach out to me. I have a link in the description, like a hi. Take communication consultation calls. This was a super fun episode to shoot, and in the next episode, we are finding out what are the best places to find dates. Subscribe to watch that soon. And yeah, the Linktree link in my bio will take you to my consultation call page. I'll get on a one-on-one call with you to help you with your communication skills. See you soon.